Elmo has a surprise for you today. A violin surprise. What's that, Dorothy? Oh, yeah, Dorothy's right. Elmo will save his surprise for later because Dorothy has a question. Yeah, what's that, Dorothy? Oh, okay. How do you hold a violin when you play it? A good question, Dorothy. Let's ask Mr. Nudo. Mr. Nudo! Hey, Shade, please go up. Shade, stop fiddling around and go up, please. Hi, Mr. Nudo. Now, Dorothy has a question, Mr. Nudo. You ready? Okay. How do you hold the violin when you play it, Mr. Nudo?
Don't go, knock my door. Don't go, knock my door. Time is up. No more cheating lies. No more tears to dry. You now I like so bye-bye. Finally, I am over you. Totally I'm blue when I can hear myself saying I am better off without you. Stronger than ever and I'm telling you now. Don't go knocking on my door. Gotta stay away for sure. You say you miss me like crazy, but I ain't buying that. You better get off my back. Don't go knocking on my door.